Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. When you're painting your nails, it's a good idea to use polish remover to get rid of any oils or leftover polish before starting your manicure. Once your nails are clean, apply a base coat. The base coat will protect your nails from staining and give you a smoother surface to paint on. When painting your nail, start in the center and place the brush a couple millimeters below your skin. Gently push the brush up to create a curved edge and then pull the brush down the center of the nail. Next, make a stroke down either side of the nail to fill it in and then blend everything together with a final stroke down the center. If you have longer nails, also make sure to cap the free edge with polish to prevent chipping. Do this again for the rest of your nails. If your hands are a little shaky, try resting your wrists on the table to stabilize them. Don't worry too much if you get any polish on your skin. You can clean it up later with acetone. After all of your nails are completely dry, do the same thing again for the second coat. Next, grab a stiff brush and dip it in some acetone or nail polish remover. Gently dab off any excess liquid on a paper towel, and then use it to carefully remove any polish from your skin and to make sure the edges of the polish are neat and rounded. When you're happy with how the polish looks, apply a coat of glossy, fast-drying top coat to seal in your polish, give your nails a beautiful shine, and make your manicure last as long as possible. And you're finished! I hope some of these tips were useful to you if you're just starting to paint your nails at home. Good luck, and I hope all of your manicures turn out well. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.